This is grade 4, module 3, lesson 12, and the objective in this lesson is to solve two-step word problems, including multiplicative comparison. So we're looking at question number 2 from the homework, and that reads, the small copier makes 437 copies each day. The larger copier makes 4 times as many copies each day. How many copies does a large copier make each week? So we're comparing the small copier and the large copier. So we're going to do a tape diagram, and it's going to be a comparison. So let's just do S for the small copier, and this is 437. And the large copier makes 4 times as many copies. So it would be 437, 437, 437, and the last one is 437. And what the question wants to know is how many copies does the large copier make? So that's what we don't know. So to solve this, I can do 437, and I'm going to multiply that by 4. So the large copier makes 1,748 copies. So let's put that in a target sentence. And that reads, the large copier makes 1,748 copies each week. So question number 3 reads, Jared sold 194 Boy Scout chocolate bars. Matthew sold 3 times as many as Jared. Gary sold 297 fewer than Matthew. How many bars did Gary sell? So let's make some more room here. Okay, so we want to know how many bars did Gary sell, so let's make that our target sentence, and that reads, Gary sold blank bars. So what do we know? So we know Jared, he sold 194 chocolate bars, so that's 194. Matthew sold 3 times as many, so Matthew sold, this is 194 here, 3 times as many. So 194, 194, 194. And Gary, he sold 297 fewer than Matthew. So let's just make this the difference, 297 fewer, and then we'll make Gary's tape. That's right here. And that's what we're trying to figure out. How many did Gary sell? So in order to solve this problem, the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to have to figure out how many Matthew sold. So Matthew was 194, and we're going to multiply it by 3, okay, because it was 3 times as many as Jared. 128. And so that's 582. So let me just change my color here. This whole thing is equal to 582. So now I need to find the difference between 582 and 297. So let's do that down here. 582 minus 297. So 285, so that was the difference. So this is going to be 285. And Gary sold 285 chocolate bars. Okay. I find that the tape diagram really helps organize the information that the question is giving you. So if the students are able to draw the tape diagram to match that information, they'll have a better chance of finding the correct answer. So it's just it's a pictorial representation there. So we're going to look at question number 4, and it says write an equation that would allow someone to find the value of m. Okay, so in order to do that, to find the value of m, what do I need to do? So it looks like I'm combining this first tape right here and the second tape right here. So to me it looks like I would have 723, and I'm multiplying that 3 times. And then in order to find the value of m, I need to add 973. And that is going to be all equal to m. So now I'm going to go ahead and solve this equation here. So I have 723, and I'm going to multiply it by 3. Okay, I have 2,169, and I'm adding 973, 14, 11. So 3,142. So m is equal to 3,142.